Welcome to Encrypt D3crypt, where you learn about coding and it's not boring. Okay, so we're gonna be going to enemy mine. So let me start off. I just finished a video, and you can go check it out. You probably should have uploaded already. You can go check that one out if you haven't seen it. Well, we're going to start off on enemy mine, and first of all, for the people who just start watching this, we are learning about Python. This is a game where you learn about different coding languages, and we're going to be learning about Python, and it's the easiest coding language to actually learn out there, and it's highly suggested, so we're going to be learning about that. So let's get into it. This is where last time we left off was Shadow Guard, so we're going to go to enemy mine. So let's start there. All right. Let's see. Let's go and get into it. So avoid the fire traps, get the gem, and use 5 lines of code or less. Alright, so we're gonna restart because this is all my last code. I don't want to actually use that. I want to actually be, authentic. So let's get to it. Oh no, pause, stop. I can't see. Alright. So hero.move right and put a 3 in the parentheses. So right here it's telling you to put 3. So technically when you put hero.move right or down or however you want your hero to move, if you wanted to move like 3 times down the path that it's going down, you want to put a 3 inside parentheses. So then you don't have to actually type it in multiple times for that character to move 3 times. So that's what we're learning right here and right now. So let's get into it. So if he moves 3 times, that means he's going to be right here on this platform. And then we had to move up once. So we're going to do up 1. We're going to have him move up 1. And then what should we do? Hero dot move right. Capitalize R, right. And we're not going to put no number in it because it's just moving right once. So I should probably take that one out for up. Let me go down. All right, so for this one kind of seems confusing because if it's right here, does he gotta move down like 4 times? Not. Just kidding. I know. Okay, I know it. Move down 3 parentheses. We're gonna do 4 times. We want to see what happens if he actually runs into those mines, because honestly we do not know. Let me just take that out and see. All right, let's run it. Let's see. So he runs through it. Ooh, look at him sprinting. Nope, never mind. He slowed down. He's taking a casual stroll. Where's he going? Why is there a dot going upwards? Oh. Okay. So we do not want him to go 4 times. We want him to go 3 times. You could tell that you do not want him to actually go into the trap. So we're gonna make him move 3 times, and then we're gonna have him move right 2 times. And let's see what happens. I hope he runs through this. I hope he gets through this. Okay, he's just running his and he slowed down. Okay, never mind. See, he gets tired too fast. He needed to actually drink something to get his energy up. He's too tired. Now I'm gonna buy some. Where were you? Enemy mine. So we're gonna go to true names. We're gonna play. Let's see what gear can we buy. I got 183 right now, so we're gonna buy a health. I think that. No, it toughens you. So we're gonna double click that. We're gonna buy this glove. It's supposed to give you more health. So we're gonna double click that. We're gonna put shields on there. No, we don't have enough. Yeah, we don't have enough. So let's get into it. And we gotta attack people. This is the time that we were waiting for, guys. Let's go. Okay. Hero dot. Actually, I didn't even start the level. So let's restart it. I don't know if I want to restart it because it was a lot of work, but okay. So he's going to be moving right. That's already put into the code. He's going to move right. And then the monster is going to see him go down and try to fight him. And then he's going to attack that person twice. So So you're gonna keep moving right. So we're gonna have him move right. Go dot move right. Close that off. And I think we probably should have him move right one more time. Hero dot move right. Close that off, and then we're gonna do it again. Hero dot. No, we're gonna do hero attack, and then we're gonna put Treg name in it. So we're gonna put Treg and close that off and see if we did that right. Let me put that as a lowercase, and let's go. Let's get it. Oh no. We're supposed to see how it works. No, go back. No. Alright, let's play again. Because I totally just pressed done and actually you're supposed to press run. Alright, so there's that last code. Let's press run and see what happens. So he runs, he kills a dude. Okay. He didn't search his body to make sure he had anything. He attacks Trey. He what? You're supposed to attack him. Oh, okay. So technically when you attack them, you're supposed to do it twice. And we did it once. So we're gonna put close parenthesis, put Treg. Oh, we're gonna put Treg. Close that off. And we're supposed to put hero.move right. So when he finished that, he actually goes and finishes the level. He got 105 health, 101 health, 93 health. See, he was a boss. He just ran through that and said, "You can't mess with me." He was like, it was like a legend. He's a legend. He's trying to help. He's trying to help everybody out and make them stay safe. Okay, so that was the last level that I'm gonna be doing. So if you want more, then make sure that you subscribe, like, and comment. And don't forget that we're gonna be doing a lot more games to where you can also learn coding with us. And make sure you stay tuned for the next one. And I'll see you in the next one. Later.